Yeah.
F it! I got stuck! Okay, one didn't light.
Wait, where'd it go?
One didn't light it.
We're gonna do more later.
I gotta see more of that.
I know. Cam, you film. Okay, go.
Freaking wind, man. Hold on.
Be back in a bit. Oh yeah, somebody's shooting a gun again.
Happy New Year.
Okay, Cam, you film me.
Hold on, no, I'm gonna light.
They come untied, just light one at a time.
Hold on, let me put them closer together so I can.
Yeah, this audio is really bad. I don't know if y'all can even see him. Focus. Yeah, right there. Did you light it?
Come on, Keller, we only got 4 more to light, man. Let's go.
F it, hold on, I did both.
I got it zoomed in.
Oh, Dad, watch out! Where'd it go?
Okay, Cam,
Right there.
red button.
What's up, guys? I don't know if y'all could see that though.
Can't see that.
It exploded.
I got 2 more. Let's go over here where the light's at.
Yeah, we're gonna go where y'all can actually see the firework.
We got a lot more to do at 12. You want to film that too?
Like probably a couple of hours after this video,
We're gonna make
we might
another one.
might do another one. Okay,
And we'll probably do a challenge.
just light it.
Ow. Well, that was stupid walk in front of it. Oh. Alright, I got one more
I see it
left.
coming down.
I got 1 more left, Cam.
I heard it hit the ground.
Cam, film.
Light it, let's go, guys.
Really, the fuse? Okay, we're just gonna light the fuse.
Yeah, we're gonna light the fuse, man. You want me to light it?
No, I got this. Wait, Cam, never move. Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna make another video later. Bye, guys.
Bye.